Dear students, here's some simple hints how to make your presentation easier and more presentable for the TAs. First things first, in Matlab you can create things called sections. Sections are basically little sections of code that you can execute separately in one file. So for here, for example, we created two sections. And now if you want to open up an image in one of the sections, we write figure image, and then we put in the variable x. Right? And we run it. It plots out this really nice monkey. Now let's say we wanted to add another plot to our thing. So we look up this other guy, which is just another image, and we want to start this separately. Then these two percentage signs just tells you that we should run this separately. So when we press Command Enter, when we have our cursor focused on this section, it will just run that section. So what will happen is it will output the RGB image right here. Now, the second thing is a thing called cascading. So we've all been there when we kind of like open up images in Matlab and they're on top of each other. So this is what happens when you do this in Matlab, for example. If you remove that. So you get two images and they're on top of each other. There's a function that you can download on the course social network page called Cascade. Cascade will basically tile the images across the window. Basically, when you click, it will just distribute the windows. So if we have more images, for example, here, what it will do, it will redistribute the images across the image. And then if we add even more, it would basically tile everything very neatly across the screen. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it's good enough for you to get a good overview and can show us easily what you have done and so on. Another good thing to add is the close all function in every section. So basically here you can start out by saying, okay, I answered on section 1, I answered question 1. This is the code for this. Very easy. Section 1, question 2. Put that in a different section. Here you write question 2. You can even write your comments in the Matlab file so you know what you're doing. Remember to comment your code frequently so you actually know what you're doing, because you will forget. After 1 week, you will have forgotten some other stuff that you've done in the previous week. So now, let's say we just wanted to have two of these images. So first of all, we plotted this guy. And it showed all of this, and we kind of told the TA how to do this. When we went back to our document, we started up the Q2 section by pressing Command Enter, and voila, we have the other images. Very simple and plain. Do this. Keep it separately. Do modularization. No comment. And above all, don't use subplot. It messes up everything. You can't resize. It's just messy. Don't use it. Thank you.